Creating professional videos used to take hours of editing skills and expensive software. But what if I told you that you can create stunning videos, AI generated content, subtitles, voiceovers, and even talking avatar directly from your browser? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use FlexClip from beginner to pro. Let's get started. FlexClip provides access to hundreds of ready-made templates designed for different categories such as technology, tutorials, business promotions, education, travel, wildlife, meditation, real estate, product showcases, and social media content. Instead of spending time designing layouts, adding animations, and creating transitions from scratch, you can simply choose a template that matches your content style. Once you select a template, you can completely personalize it. Replace stock footage with your own videos, change text, update colors, insert your logo, add background music, and modify animations to fit your brand identity. The best part is that the structure of the video is already professionally designed, saving you a tremendous amount of editing time. Using templates allows creators to maintain a consistent visual style, produce content faster, reduce editing effort, and focus more on creating valuable content rather than spending hours on repetitive editing tasks. For YouTubers aiming to upload multiple videos every week, templates can significantly improve productivity and help maintain a regular posting schedule. Did you know you don't have to start from scratch every time you create an AI video? FlexClip makes it easy to reuse existing prompts and previously generated videos, helping you produce content much faster. If you've already created prompts that generate great results, there's no need to rewrite them. Simply copy and paste your favorite prompts into the AI video generator. This is especially useful if you've developed a style that matches your channel's branding. For example, if you've created prompts for dancing characters, cinematic wildlife scenes, or relaxing meditation videos, you can reuse those prompts and only make small adjustments such as changing the subject, background, or mood. FlexClip also lets you upload videos you've already generated. You can trim clips, combine scenes, add transitions, replace music, insert subtitles, or repurpose longer videos into YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok content. Instead of generating everything again, you can build a personal library of successful videos and use them as templates for future projects. This approach saves time, maintains consistency, and allows you to scale your content production efficiently. Have a long YouTube video, podcast, webinar, or interview. Imagine turning it into multiple viral shorts, Instagram reels, or TikTok videos with just a few clicks. That's exactly what FlexClip's AI long to short videos feature is designed to do. Creating short form content manually can take hours. You have to watch the entire video, find the best moments, crop the frame, add captions, and edit everything for different platforms. FlexClip simplifies this entire process using AI. Simply upload your long video or paste a YouTube video link into FlexClip. The AI automatically analyzes your content, identifies the most engaging moments, and creates multiple short video clips. It intelligently detects. Finding the perfect background music for your videos can be time consuming and expensive. But what if you could create original royalty free music in just a few seconds using AI? That's exactly what FlexClip AI Music Generator can do. FlexClip SAI Music Generator allows you to create custom music tracks simply by describing the style, mood, or genre you want. Whether you're producing YouTube videos, social media content, podcasts, or business presentations, it helps you generate music that's tailored to your project. Using the AI music generator is incredibly simple. Just open the tool, enter a prompt describing the type of music you need, choose the desired mood, genre, or duration, and click generate. Within seconds, FlexClip creates an original music track based on your description. No musical knowledge is required. The AI can generate music in a wide variety of styles. Need cinematic background music for storytelling? No problem. Looking for energetic electronic beats for tech videos? It can do that too. You can also create relaxing piano music, upbeat pop, corporate soundtracks, lo-fi beats, ambient music, motivational themes, and many other genres. Because every track is AI generated, You can create unique music that matches your video's mood. Dot. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Instead of searching through thousands of stock music tracks, you can generate a fresh soundtrack in just a few clicks. This not only saves time, but also helps your videos stand out with music that's created specifically for your content. It's especially useful for YouTubers, marketers, educators, freelancers, and anyone who creates videos regularly. Once your music is generated, you can easily add it directly to your FlexClip video project. Adjust the volume, trim the track, combine it with voiceovers, and synchronize it with your video timeline, all within the same editor. Everything happens in one place, making the editing process smooth and efficient. Overall, FlexClip AI Music Generator is a fantastic tool for creators who need high quality background music without spending hours searching or hiring a composer. It's fast, beginner friendly, and makes it easy to create original melodies. FlexClip makes adding sound effects quick and easy. Simply browse the built-in library, preview sounds in real time, and drag your favorites directly onto the timeline. From cinematic whooshes and transitions to nature ambience and crowd reactions, sound effects help make your videos more engaging, immersive, and professional with just a few clicks. Overall, FlexClip is a powerful and beginner friendly AI video editor that strikes a great balance between ease of use and advanced features. If your goal is to create videos quickly, consistently, and with minimal editing experience, FlexClip is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials, tech tips, and creative tools. See you in the next video.